Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Guys, today in this video I gonna unbox and review my Smytten products. If you haven't watched my Smytten unboxing video, my first unboxing video, then go ahead and please do watch it first, because in that video I have been showed like how you can install the app. Then I will get a 6 trial point, and using this 6 trial point how you can order your free products from Smytten. I'll share the video link on my description. You can go and check it out once. Let me tell you some points of Smytten. Guys, Smytten is an online shopping app similar to the Nika or Purple, where you'll get your favorite brand products. You'll get many varieties of products in Smytten app, and here you will get 6 trial points, whereas you can buy 6 products from that. Once you log in with the Smytten app, there you will get a 6 trial points, whereas you can use this 6 trial points by purchasing a trials on trial section. And guys, after you purchase 6 products, you need to pay only 199 rupees instead of paying more amount, like it would be more than 700 bucks, but you will pay only 199 rupees. This is my second unboxing, and I ordered this from my second account. And let me show you like what are all the products which I purchased from Smytten. Firstly, I got this pouch, guys, and here it's 499 bucks. It's travel friendly pouch. You can see pouch. You can keep your products here like this, and you can easily travel. This is the first product, guys. Once you log in, you'll get this pouch free for every new customer of Smytten. And what I got next is, it's from Mama Earth face mask with the saffron and turmeric and apricot oil, and this is a paraben and silicone free. That's a good point. And this is worth of 99 rupees, and this is of 25 gram. Let me remove this. It's properly sealed and it is genuine product of Mama Earth. Guys, this is the second product which I got from Smytten, and this is from Sear Secrets Natural Toning Mist of Rose Plamarosa Catchu, which helps us to balance, hydrate and restore. And this is net weight of 30 ml. And this is cost of 195 bucks. You can use this for spraying a day, at morning, or else at night while sleeping. And this is the second product which I got from Smytten, and I gave 1 trial point for this. And the third product which I got from Smytten is from La Bella Fine Fragrance Mist of worth of 10 ml. It's of 10 ml, and it's a perfume. It's a pocket friendly perfume. After it's finished also you can refill it and use this, and this is also travel friendly, and the smell is really good. And the price of this, guys, this is worth of 99 bucks. And guys, next product, and I gave 1 trial for this product. And guys, next product which I got from Smytten is Holy Magic Potion Mattifying Massage Gel, which is of aloe vera plus turmeric. And let me remove this. There is no smell, and you can see the gel color. It's ocean blue color. And guys, here it's been given like its MRP is 149 rupees. And guys, here it's been given as a moisturizer or base for makeup and other skincare products as an extra layer of protection. You can use this before applying a makeup. It's give a extra protection for your skin, and I should really try this. And this also I got this for one trial point. Guys, the next product which I got from Smytten is from Aranya Skincare Naturally Vedic Skin Lightening Cream, which is of 25 gram. And guys, I got this for 2 trial point, means this product is costlier. I purchased this with a 2 trial point, and here it's been given it's mainly benefit for the unique blend of natural and Ayurvedic extracts, reduces pigmentation, uneven tone and blemishes. This cream provides a smooth tone to a facial skin, besides helps you reducing a pigmentation with healthy glow skin. Guys, this cream mainly for pigmentation or dark spots or blemishes, and I thought like I should try this once because it's a new product. I never used this before, so thought of trying this. And this is of 2 trial point, and even the smell of the product is good. It is mild, it is not so harsh. And guys, this is worth of 195 bucks. Guys, for all this product I gave only 199. Let us count the actual price of this. This is a free one. Once you log in with the Smytten, you'll get this free pouch for first users, and this is a free pouch. This Mamaearth, here the MRP is 99 rupees, let we consider as 100 bucks, and this one is of 195, let we consider as 200 plus 100, it's a 300, and it's of 195, like we consider as 200. Here it's 300 plus 200, it's 500, and this is of 99 bucks, like we consider as 100. This one is of 600, and this one it's of 149 rupees, 150. 600 plus 150, 750 rupees. Guys, this pouch is totally free, but if you want to consider with remaining amount, that is 50, it is totally, this product is worth of 800 bucks, but you are getting this product for only 199 rupees. Guys, still if you haven't installed the Smytten app, please do install it. I will share my referral code on my description or in my screen. Just go check it out once, because you'll get a huge offers and you'll get a huge products where you can use this product and check it out whether this product will be suitable for your skin or not. So I suggest you to try this once. And if you haven't watched my before video of Smytten, like how you can install this, how you can get a free trial points and all, just check it out my before video which is on description. And guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.